So, John Piccarelli, D73, D10P, PG12P. You got to work a little harder. You got to get your chest. Okay, it is an honor and privilege on this day to present the Dean's Medal to Dr. John Piccarelli, D73, D10P, DG12P. Throughout his career, Dr. John Piccarelli has contributed passion, intelligence, and leadership to a wide variety of worthwhile endeavors in the dental health profession. His multidisciplinary support of Tufts Dental School has really strengthened the reputation of this institution and helped us to establish a firm foundation for the future. John is a gifted pediatric dentist with 2 practices in the Boston area. He served on the staff of Franciscan Hospital for Children and Tufts Medical Center, and is director of dentistry at the Mass Hospital School for Massachusetts Hospital School in Canton. A founding board member of the international volunteer organization Project Stretch, and his family and colleagues has changed the world one smile at a time. John has volunteered endless evening hours on the phone and letter writing campaigns, and graciously hosts Tufts fundraising events at his home, setting a strong personal example as he has been a generous capital gift donor and a Dean's Inner Circle contributor to the annual fund since its inception. John and his wife, Vicki Danberg, recently stepped forward, John's wife, Vicki Danberg, recently stepped forward as our first ever term scholarship donors and established the Piccarelli-Danberg Term Scholarship. As past president of the Dental Alumni Association and member of the Schools Beyond Boundaries campaign, John has served at the helm of the Dental M Club since 2006. Once again, we thank John Piccarelli for his contribution.
That's the new and improved version of me. That's where some of the tuition is going. This is a total surprise to me. The only reason I'm standing here is because of you. You folks have made me look good. I want to especially thank all those who are members of the Dean's Inner Circle. Keep it going, and it'll continue to have the dental school be what it is. Thank you so very much.